What is up, guys? And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add advanced AI to your Gorilla Tag fan game. First thing you're going to do is make sure you go to Window, Package Manager, Unity Registry, and make sure you have AI navigation installed. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Discord, the link in the pinned comment, and in my bio. And then you're going to import that script. It should be called RRM. This is made by me, by the way. Wait for that to import. Once that's done, you're going to go to your monster. For now, I'm just going to make like an example area. You're going to make, for me, I'm just going to do a capsule. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your monster. Let's say this is my monster. You're going to give them a rigid body. And you're going to change collision detection to continuous and interpolate to interpolate. Constraints, put that to freeze X and freeze Z. And then drag RRM on here. Enable gizmos. You will see a bunch of circles. I'll explain these. This green circle, well, actually, I don't even have to explain it. Oh, yeah, kind of forgot that. I don't even have to explain it, because it explains it right here. Just click this area down here or whatever, and then hover over it, and it tells you what it is. So, basically, this green circle, if a player is in here, the monster has a 25% chance of chasing them. It checks. I suggest you change check interval from 2 to 0.1. Because it's just way easier to get it to chase multiple people. Yellow, if a player's in there, the monster has a 60% chance to chase them. It changes every 0.1 seconds. And then if they're in the red circle, it has a 100% chance. And if they're in the purple circle, they die. The blue circle is, like, basically, it can travel to anywhere in here. And then with the AI, you're going to add a nav mesh agent. Don't do anything with this. Unless you see, like, the cylinder that gets added. If it's like way up there, way down there, just change the base offset to whatever you want. And then here's like the kind of weird part. For kill range, that's not really that weird. Set it to like, try and set it to the size of your monster. For me, I'm just gonna do 1.5 because that's how tall my monster is. Or not. 1.3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's good. Basically, if a player enters this purple zone, they die. And then, for player spawn point, I think I might have one in spawn. No, I'll just do this. I'll just create a spawn point real quick. Okay, there we go. Make sure it's an empty game object and not like a cube or something. It can be really whatever you want, but I suggest it just be an empty game object. And then, where it says player spawn point, drag in whatever spawn you want, and then disable on teleport. Basically, whenever you teleport, aka die, anything in here will disable for this long. And I suggest you set it to 0.5. So, for me, for example, I would want it to disable probably... Actually, I'm going to move a spawn point out here. I probably want it to disable the entirety of spawn. Because, as you can see, I'm going to have to face through spawn to get over there. So I'll just bring my player over here. And here's also a crucial point. Your gorilla player needs to have the tag player. Also, your gorilla rig might not. I haven't tested that part yet. But we'll find out together. And I'm pretty sure it works even if you're not in a lobby. So I would probably suggest you keep the monster pretty far away. Like, for example, I was going to move my guy over here to the very damn corner. Why is he so chucky? And then also you have to do this. You need to make sure you do this. You right-click in hierarchy. AI, nav mesh surface. I already have one of these, so I'm just going to use the one I have. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that this is enabled when you click nav mesh surface, and then click bake. If it highlighted blue, that means it's good. That means the monster can travel in there. That's good. Now you might be wondering, well, what about the wander points? This doesn't need any. It just wanders randomly on here within this zone. So basically, say it's right here, and it checks again the next 0.1 seconds, it'll go to another random spot within its circle. So I'd suggest that keeping it at 20, unless you want it to fill up the whole map, just set to like 1,000 or something if you want it to fill up the whole map. But I highly wouldn't suggest that. So I'm going to show you guys how this works now. Well, first of all, I'm going to go to networking, boom. Join room on connect. I'm just going to do that real quick so that I can actually like load in. As you can see, he's trying to get to my player. But I don't know why my player spawned over here. But I very curly. Okay, that's why. Okay, let's try this again. And yes, it does chase multiple people. I think. Oh my god. I'm gonna pause real quick. Move my player away real quick. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, when he does not stop chasing. Since it's only just me, he will not stop chasing me. And then, unless I get out of his zone, which I'm pretty sure if I just go over here. Nope. He's kind of easy to achieve, by the way. If there's 2 people, he will switch up every 5 seconds. So I'm going to show you how the teleporting works. Excuse me, what? Hold on. It just worked. Did I set up something wrong? I think I might have set up something wrong. Up, and you just died. Oh. He's violently backshotting my character. Oh, it's because my player's getting stuck in the ground. That's why. That's not my error. Okay, that's... I can't really change anything. That's basically it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure you join the Discord. Bye-bye.